All right, welcome back. So, like I said, I still have two more with me here. So, the first one is a two-digit number is such that the tens digit is greater than its unit digit by 4. A two-digit number is less than 4 times the product of its digits by 11. Find the number. So, first is to try and understand each statement or each sentences rather. A two-digit number, let's say the two-digit number are x and y, but we don't know what they are, is such that its tenth digit is greater than its unit digit by 4. So this is definitely the tenth digit. X is the tenth digit while y is the unit digit. So now the second statement says that the tens digit is greater than its unit digit by 4, which is this. So I can call this equation 1. Right, now this x here is greater than y by 4. So adding 4 to y will make y equal to x. And that's why I have this equation here. Now the two-digit number is less than 4 times the product of its digits by 11. First and foremost, how do I know this digits number, what they represent, or which other way can I represent this x and y? Now, since this is the tens digit and this is the unit digit, let's say, for example, if I have a number like 25, for example, and I take this as the tens digit, this is 2 and this is 5. So the only way I can represent this is by saying 10 times 2. In this case here, 2 is x plus y. So 10 times 2 will give me 20 plus y, which is 5, will give me 25. So this is a better way to express this. Okay, now let's go to the next line. The two-digit number is less than 4 times the product of a digit by 11. Now I can interpret this by saying 10x plus y, okay, is less than 4 times the product of a digit, which is x and y, by 11. So this statement here means that if I add 11 to this particular expression here, oh, sorry. This is supposed to be less than, not greater than, because they said the two-digit number is less than 4 times its product by 11. So this is less than this by 11. That means if I add 11 to this, the both of them will be equal, which is this here, x, y. Let's call this equation 2. Okay, now the next step is to try and solve. I know that my x is y plus 4, so let me just impute it. 10y plus 4 plus y plus 11 will give me 4y. X is what? Y plus 4. 10 times y will give me 10y. 10 times 4 will give me 40 plus y plus 11. This gives me 4y square plus 16y. Okay, from here I can see that this is 11y plus 11 plus 40, which is 10y plus y gives me 11y. plus 11 plus 40, 4y square plus 16y. Now if I rearrange this particular equation, I'll have 4y square plus 16y minus 11y. This gives me 51, positive 51, but when it crosses it becomes negative 51. So all this equals 0. Then 16y minus 11y will give me 4y square plus 5y minus 51 equals to 0. So from here, I can apply the quadratic formula here, and I will say that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. My b here is minus 5 plus or minus minus 4. My a here is 4, and my c here is negative 51 over 2 times 4. So this gives me a negative, sorry, this is 5 squared, that's 25. So 4 times 4 times 51 will give me a positive 816 all over 8. So from here I'll have that my negative 5 plus or minus 16 plus 25, 816 plus 25 is this all over. So the square root of this will give me 29 over 8. Then I will have my minus 5 plus 29 over 8, or minus 5 minus 29 over 8. This gives me 24 divided by 8, or this gives me 34 divided by 8, and negative 34 divided by 8. So this gives me 3 here. Why? This gives me a decimal number. So this is my answer. Y is equal to 3. Now, how am I sure this y equal to 3 is my answer? Now recall, I said the 2-digit number is less than 4 times the product. No, not this one. A 2-digit number is such that its 10th digit is greater than its unit digit by 4. If I take this my value for x here, or rather for y here, because this should be y, we are solving for y. If I take my value for y here and impute it in this equation 1, I will get my value for x to be 3 plus 4, which is 7. Now we can see that 7 which is the tens digit, is greater than the unit digit by 4, then the number that we are looking for will be xy, which is equal to 7, and our y 3. And this is the number we are looking for.